My brother's going all the way up there. If you can see that, I can't really see. Oh, it's like really nice out today. This might actually one go on YouTube. It's just, he's making his way up. So, see, it's really nice out, actually. If you can see that, I can't even see myself. What the heck? I can't even see anything. So he's actually just up there. If I can zoom in, it's like just up there somewhere. If you can see him. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I just took a ride down from there. I looked terrible when one did that, even though I wore a helmet. Where the heck is he now? Matt! Bugs are out. He said he'll scream. Matt! Oh, I see him. Never mind! Ah! Yeah! Okay! He should be coming down. You should see him. Holy crap! That sound though! Okay guys, I'll see you guys next time. Did I fail?